Hello.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Dhruv.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi.
How are
How
you?
are you?
I'm
Good
fine.
evening. I am good.
Amazing. Good to know that. So, normally I
Yeah.
see you in a uniform or something. Today I see you all dressed up and ready to party.
No, no.
Mhm.
As a normal day. Yeah, yeah. As I put the normal day. No, in
Okay.
party.
Okay.
How how is your day? How is your day going today?
My day is going on fine. It's almost come to an end, right? So, so the day went
Yeah.
fine. Okay, it went well. Productive day.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes, what is it that you're playing with in your hand?
I age pain.
Oh, it's a pen. Okay, I thought it's some kind of an
Yeah.
earphone or something. Okay.
No
So
pain.
yes, did you kind of have a look at today's topic?
Yeah, yeah.
It's about weddings, right? So do you mind me asking you, are
Wedding.
you
Yeah.
married?
No, I'm single now.
Okay, you're single, is it? Okay, okay. Do you plan to get married anytime soon, or you're taking your sweet time?
Now now I'm not thinking,
Hmm.
but I think after 2 or 3 years. Then I'm
Okay.
yeah after 2 or 3 years. Then I'm my thinking I'm got the marriage. Yeah. Now
Okay.
I'm leave me along as better feel. Yeah. No anything
Okay.
burden. Yeah. Get the marriage. Then lot of burden.
Yes, lot of responsibilities, not
Yeah.
burden, responsibilities, right? Yeah.
A lot. Yeah. Responsible. Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
are you enjoying being single?
Every time. I think leave me along is yeah. Yeah, leave me along is better. Yeah, single is no anything pressure, no
Mm,
anything response. Yeah,
yes,
movement any area is roaming area.
ab-
Yeah, like that. Yeah, like
absolutely.
that. I think before 2 or 3 months in India, is a
Mhm.
very bad condition. Is every parent is a lot of
Yeah.
burden, a lot of responsible. Yeah,
Mhm.
is a anything a lot of response. But leave me alone, no anything problem. Yeah, I think it's better feel.
You feel it's better to be single?
Yeah, single.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So you enjoy the freedom, is it? You can say that I think being single is gives you more freedom than being married. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Mm. Okay,
yeah.
okay. And
No anything but no anything response. I think better feel. Yeah, yeah.
okay. And what do you think about this
I
concept of
think yeah.
arranged
Some people
marriage?
is yeah. Some people is got the arranged marriage is better. I think
Mhm. Okay.
yeah. Love marriage is also better, but
Yeah.
yeah, but yeah, is some lot of problem faces. Yes, not involved
True.
in parents. If any
Yes.
problem is you only you
Mhm.
are face. Yeah, not
Uh,
involving your parents. But you
yes.
got you are arranged marriage. Then you
Mhm.
any problem is he's blaming parents. You got the marriage. You not clearly see.
Okay.
You know,
So,
ma'am?
yes, 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 I know. We have someone
Yeah.
to blame if things go wrong, is it? That's what you're saying. We can blame our parents.
Yeah. That's why I say that. Yeah. Yeah. I think every yeah, got the marriage every time is a normal, but sometimes every person anytime is a problem. Then you blame the parents. You go arrange marriage, but it's love marriage. If any problem,
Mhm.
you only you are so solved. Not
Yes.
your parents is clearly told you, I'm not responsible. You get the marriage. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I understand. Yes, logical, pretty logical
And,
what you mentioned. Yeah. Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, and yeah, yeah, then he's a love marriage. I think UST leave me alone. I think lot of parents is not accepted. Yeah, in a
Yes.
rural area, in native place is not accepted.
Mhm.
Yes, some
Yes.
parents. Then all lot of problem face. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's not
Okay.
earn the money. Yeah, is
Hmm.
you are settled. Okay, no problem. You are settled. You doing the job is no problem. But
Mm-hmm.
you are not settled. Then lot of problem face. Yeah,
Yes, absolutely.
and you
Yes.
are stay in home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
If you are, then you will, if you stay in home, okay? If you are stay in home, not if you stay in home.
Yes, stay.
Okay. And you mentioned if you are
Yeah, if you are
arranged
staying
marriage,
home,
right?
yeah,
It's not
yeah,
if you are arranged marriage, it is if you enter into an arranged
yeah,
marriage. Okay. If you enter into an arranged marriage.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. That's nice.
yeah, yeah,
Good to know your views on this. And what kind of a wedding do you
yeah.
want? Do you prefer like a simple court marriage, or do you want to conduct it in a proper
No,
traditional
no,
manner?
yeah, arrange proper. Yeah, only one time is got the marriage is better, I think. Yeah,
Okay. So you want all the
I
rituals.
think yeah. Then any person, I think yeah, yeah, any person, I think you 2 or 3 marriage, then okay, no problem. But only one marriage is better. Yeah, some people is like, yeah, yeah. I think
Yes.
it's better. Yeah.
Mhm. Correct, correct. So if you plan to get
Then
married
yeah,
just
is
once,
anything blame? Yeah, his parents is yeah, is no, now I'm not anything plan, but I think I'm get the married 2 or 3 year
yeah,
after. Then yeah,
yes,
it decide I'm better. Yeah, better.
absolutely,
Yeah,
yes.
anything wedding, anything is
Hmm.
planning is better. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. And do you want a big wedding, grand wedding, or a
yeah.
small ceremony?
No, yeah, is I think afford like that is give money. Is I think
Mhm.
like that. Then you compare. I think not is a lot of money. Then you yeah. I think is a decide is a lot of money. Then you decide is better.
Okay, what do
I
you
think grand
prefer?
money
I don't give me
is a lot of.
generic one.
I think not invest a lot of money. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
I think it's not lot of best, but is I think better. Yeah, not a small is a same like that. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So you see that
yeah.
you
Then I'm
structure
not
your
thinking like that.
sentences
Is
better. Hmm. Yes, you can say that if we have lots of money, then we can
yeah,
plan a big wedding. Otherwise, based on the budget, we can afford a small
yeah,
ceremony. If you had a lot of like if you won a
yeah.
lottery of crores of rupees, okay, so would you choose a simple wedding, or would you want a very grand
Yeah.
celebration?
You know, ma'am, one more time repeat. Your sound is
Okay,
not clear.
if okay,
I
if
didn't
you
understand what you say
no
anything.
problem, no problem. If you won a lottery of crores of rupees, okay, if you won a lottery or a jackpot,
Yeah,
then would
yeah,
you
yeah.
spend a lot
Ah,
of money? Would you
yeah,
have a grand wedding, or would you choose a simple wedding even after becoming super
yeah, yeah.
rich?
No, no, Grati. Then yeah, yeah, yeah. Then lot of money. Then you yeah, I'm use a lot of money and better and grand. Yeah, is a wedding. Yeah, I know
Yeah.
and fully enjoy. I think you earn the money. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
every person one day in die. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
then enjoy in fully. I think. Yeah, my
Correct.
thinking is fully enjoy. Yeah, yeah.
Amazing. That's good. Like you live
You
only
believe in
once.
law marriage or arranged marriage, ma'am?
Me.
You believe in law
Mm.
marriage or arranged marriage?
Honestly,
Yeah.
Dhruv, if I have to tell you, I have witnessed people go into love marriage. I've seen people do arranged marriage. Both have their set of problems, okay? Nothing is perfect.
Nothing
Sometimes
is
people
perfect.
say
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
okay?
yeah,
Hmm. Sometimes
yeah.
people say
Every
that if
marriage
you
is
do
yeah
love
some problem.
marriage,
Yeah,
yeah, 100%.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes. After some time, it's all
yeah,
common. It's all the same. 1 or 2 years later, even
yeah,
arranged marriage couple
yeah.
will be fighting. Even love marriage couple also will be fighting.
Also fighting. Yeah, both. Yeah, both. Yeah, same condition. Yeah.
Yes,
Then I
that's
think his arranged marriage is blame the guy. Yeah, parents. Yeah, he the. I think see the blame is girls is also parents. He's
true.
got the marriage. He's not on the money. He's not behavior is better. And why is it same like that? But is a law marriage is only face the both people. Any problem is a
Yes.
face the only both
Mhm.
people. He's a got the marriage.
But
Yeah.
I think that after a while, right, the parents will agree. Like initially they will be angry and all that, but I think after a while, even they'll start missing
Yeah.
their kids. They'll be like, okay, fine, whatever, come back home. I have seen that happening,
Uh,
okay?
yeah, 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 yeah,
Especially if
yeah,
they
yeah.
get a
But yeah, yeah,
grandchildren
he's
and all.
yeah, yeah, yeah. He's a grandfather. Is a anytime he
Mhm.
support. Yeah, anything he problem is support. I know. But he
Mm.
only his parents is problem. He
Mhm.
thinking, but his grandfather is a grandfather and grandmother is a every same like it is a support. You watch the
Yes.
movie same like that. Yeah, his parents grandparents is support.
No,
Yeah,
I'm saying that, okay, that is true. I mentioned that suppose initially the parents are objecting, right? But once the couple has a kid and suddenly they feel like, okay, I want to see the grandchild, then they will accept. I feel I've seen it
Uh,
happening, okay, in real life. They melt there.
yeah, yeah, no. He's a parents is accepted.
Yeah,
Grandmother and grandfather already is a enjoy. I think he's a,
yeah,
some grandfather.
yeah.
He's a
Mhm.
so temper. Yeah, he's just so excited. He's a, got the marriage. I'm so the
Yeah.
anything is a boys anything girls. Yeah, he's
Mhm.
a, like that. He's a better. Yeah, not better. Grandfather no
Mhm.
problem. He's a like that parents. Yeah, he's a
Yes.
lot of invest some money. He just studies
Mhm.
better. Then you got the
Mhm.
marriage. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. I think
Okay, okay.
yeah, it's finished.
And do you keep a track of all these celebrity weddings? I think in the last couple of years, many celebrities got married, right? So do you keep a track? Are you interested in reading all these
Yeah,
kinds of news?
yeah. Sometime
Mhm.
I watched the yeah.
Sometimes
Sometime
you
I
watch.
watched the any wedding like
Mhm.
Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, I watched.
Yes. And Nick Jonas. Yes, they
Yeah,
got married.
he's a got the marriage. Nick Jonas. Yeah, he's a very smart. I think he's a Priyanka Chopra. I think 10 year yeah different age. I think Nick Jonas
Yeah, yeah.
25. He 35.
Mm.
There's a
Mm.
lot of
Even
different
Shahid
years.
Kapoor and his
Yeah,
wife also,
but
right?
he's a
Lot
Nick
of
Jonas
age difference. Mm.
yeah.
Yes, yes. Please continue. Please continue. You were saying
Nick
something?
Jonas is a handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nick Jonas is very handsome. But
Mm.
Priyanka Chopra is beautiful, but he is a compare is a better Nick Jonas. You know,
Okay, you think Nick Jonas is better
nice
looking, yeah?
couple, but nice. He's a yeah better looking. You know,
Yes, yes, yes. I agree. I agree. And
I
what are your
think
thoughts?
I'm
Yeah, yeah. I
yeah. I
understand
think
completely.
yeah
Absolutely.
yeah
It's your
yeah
preference. You think he's
yeah. Tell
better
me now.
looking than Priyanka, right? It's okay. No problem. It's your view. I
Yeah
respect it. Yeah. And what do you think about
yeah
destination weddings? Do you want your wedding to be in your own city, or would you want to have it in some foreign country or in a different city?
yeah. I think in different city, but is
Mm,
a similarity for the money. First you afford the money, then
mhm.
your wedding is a foreign country. I think better. Is it like
You
that?
say you
Yeah.
will have you. If I have lot of money, I will have a wedding in a foreign country. You will talk with respect to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I have a lot of money, I
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
have a destination
Yeah.
wedding.
Yeah. Yeah. I have a lot of money. Then I'm deciding in foreign country. I'm here. Then
Okay.
is not lot of money and not afford, but India is
Mhm.
better. I think India is I'm wedding, but India is
Yes.
better. Yeah.
Yes. Absolutely, because we have so many gorgeous locations. Our native places are also so beautiful, right? So I think with a little
Yeah.
bit of good decoration, I think Indian weddings are
Yeah.
best. And
Yeah. Bet. Yeah.
what about pre-wedding shoot? Do you know that these days, before getting married, these couples they go through this pre-wedding photo shoot, right? They click a lot of great pictures and they post it on social media. Do you
Yeah. Yeah.
imagine yourself doing it? Will you do it?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Lot of yeah. Take the photo. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, sometimes you remind, yeah, after 2 year, yeah, 3 year, yeah, after 10 year, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
lot of photo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Then you show, yeah, yes, you take the
Okay,
photo.
it's
Yeah,
like a
photo
good
shooting is
memory.
the most important. Most important, I think. Yeah, most important in life in photo shoot. Yeah,
Okay,
after 10 year, 14 year, yeah, 20 year, yeah, yeah. You
okay.
remind the yeah,
Mm. Okay, okay, that's nice. So it's as you mentioned, it's a good reminder. It's a good way to, capture all the memories forever.
yeah,
Yeah. And
yeah, capture,
are
yeah,
there
all the memory, yeah, yeah.
and would you rather have a traditional, the normal band playing at your wedding, or will you have a DJ? What do you prefer for music? These
Banned,
days, both
yeah.
are there.
Now this like the coronavirus is banned
Mm,
some, but I'm yes, yeah, I'm DJ. Yeah, without DJ, not anything is like that. Is simple wedding, not is interested. Yeah, is a DJ is mostly is important. Is then you got the marriage is better.
I didn't
I think.
understand. What is your answer? What do you prefer, band or DJ?
Band? No, DJ.
DJ. You prefer a DJ?
Yeah, DJ.
Okay.
Yeah, DJ.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
better
nice.
dance. Every person will
So,
enjoy.
okay. Okay. So, have you ever thought, okay, maybe whenever you're free, have you ever thought what you'll wear, what color? Have you ever imagined all this? How your a wedding hall is going to look like? How many people you're going to invite? Have you ever thought of all this?
I don't know.
Hmm?
It's a situation. Like now time is like it is coronavirus. It's only
Yeah.
50 people allowed. Yeah,
Yeah.
but in the normally I think 200 or 300 minimum.
Minimum.
But like that is a coronavirus is only 50. Yeah, minimum. Yeah, no 300
Yes.
400. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, 300 400.
How many would you want to
minimum.
have? You want 300, 400? Is it a grand wedding?
Yeah, grand.
Okay, okay. That's nice, Dhruv.
Yeah, ma'am.
Great.
One more time.
I said that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's all. Okay, so great.
Yeah.
Good answers. One thing I would suggest you is I understand that in your workplace you have to speak really fast. On Clappingo, when you're talking, you can try to speak little slowly, okay? So that the person that's listening to you, they will be able to understand each word that you're saying. Otherwise, it becomes really
Okay.
fast. Okay, so maybe just
Yeah,
a little,
I'm
a little
speaking.
slowly. Okay, so that we can identify if you're
Yes.
making any errors now, we can identify it better. We can give you a better feedback. So for that
Yeah.
reason,
Yeah.
okay. So try to
Yeah.
speak a
Next time
little
I'm try.
slowly.
Next time I'm
Yeah,
try.
I will try.
Yeah.
Not I
Next time
am
I'm
try.
try.
I will try.
Yeah. I will. Yeah. I will try. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Dhruv. So that is it. I think work a little bit on this speed so that your answers will also sound to be more
Yeah.
fluent. Okay. So apart from that, your ideas are really good. You
Yeah.
answer to the point. I really enjoyed talking with you today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can we wrap
Okay.
up the session?